Okay, everyone, now just making sure we're on. Now today I thought we'd check out on blues, different blues we'll use. So here we go with blues. And we'll start off with an ultramarine blue. Here we go. Now here's our ultramarine. Right. A bit weaker. A bit strong here. A little bit of raw sienna. A little bit more ultramarine. There we are. Now, there is our ultramarine sky. This is our ultramarine with a little bit of the cad yellow. That's our cad yellow with our ultramarine. Now, a little bit more ultramarine. Now, there's our ultramarine sky. On the ultramarine hill, ultramarine and cad yellow. Okay, now we'll move to another blue now. This time the blue we're picking up is, this blue is Windsor blue, all right? Windsor blue in this sky. Now let's have a see. Windsor blue, a bit stronger. A little bit of raw sienna, or even cad yellow if we wanted it. Just to really touch. Now, back to our Windsor blue. Don't forget it's the rounded them clouds out there, they're not. Now, weaken it down, really down to almost nothing. There we are. Now if you want to put a little bit of Payne's grey into that. Do that. Want the cad yellow again? Yeah? Okay, cad yellow. On Windsor. And this is the blue, the green. like that. And a green hill in the background, like that. Now you've got Windsor Ultra Cobalt next, Cobalt Blue, a little bit of light red in it. So a bit more light red, make it into cobalt and light red. And there you have a grey cloud coming over. Like that. Now you look and watch your clouds. Now watch what happens. A bit more grey. A bit more grey. And just behind that cloud there, sometimes you'll get another one like this. Going right to the edge of it. Like that. Just right to the edge of that other grey cloud underneath. Now I might mix a few more different colours in it. I've not done on here, this is just straight colours what I'm telling you. Nothing out otherwise. So now the next one, Windsor. Now I've stuck with this cad yellow all along, haven't I? What you wouldn't need to do, probably I would put some, no, this is with the cad yellow again with that. Okay, let's see. That's a bit of cad yellow and cobalt. To me it's a bit sweeter green there, isn't it? A bit sweeter green for you, that. So next we'll put some Payne's Grey for our mountain. Just our Payne's Grey will do on its own. Like that. There you are. Now if you wanted to put anything right at the back, you can put, like, using that Payne's Grey, you can put a few trees in at the back of it like that if you wanted. And same with here. And now I'll use just a Payne's Grey on its own, would you believe? Okay, let's see. A Payne's Grey on its own. Of course we can have a strong cloudy sky with Payne's Grey. But it has a bluer cast with it, you see. I'm just going to put a little bit of raw sienna with this, because if you put yellow ochre, it's right, it'll be too vivid. But let's put some raw sienna just here, get rid of some of them sharp edges. I'm just trying to find places where on the here, well, it's not got green on somewhere to keep it all the same. So we'll do some a bit more, stronger still. So now you see you can nearly use any blue to do a sky according to the whether it's summer or winter or whatever. We've got like a wintry type of a cloud coming up, grey cloud. Now where you put that, you could put a little bit of raw sienna there. See, like I put some raw sienna or ochre, it's just the same, so I put that there like that. And then I mix a bit of that, like one of our friends says, he uses a bit of Payne's grey and his lemon yellow. Go on, well, we'll use that, Payne's grey and yellow. We'll put some lemon yellow with it. So we've got our lemon yellow now with Payne's grey. Bringing it up to a nice darkish colour here. Now this is our nice big path there. Okay, so there's now our and there's our carpet in between, which you'll be adding a little bit of burnt umber to, say. Just get some burnt umber. Not quite right yet, but we'll just put this on. You see. Same all the way through there, see? Water it down now, your bit of brown there. And just sun it in the path makes it so light, you know. It's almost white. There we are. Right, so there's another little snippet for you today. So there's your cornfield for you, with that little bit of light. So you can drop that in any time you're doing any of these. So I hope you like this one. It's nice and short for you, so it doesn't take too long for me to put on and you to look at. There you are. I hope you like that one. Keep practicing it, you'll do okay. Everybody be happy. Good luck to everybody. Love to the world. See you later.